everybody! Today, me and my son are going to try Dairy Queen's new Dipped Strawberry Cheesecake Blizzard. This is what it looks like. It has big chunks of strawberry and chocolate, and I see some cheesecake over here too. So, we're going to let him try it first. Ooh. Is it good? That's so good. This is probably one of the best blizzards they've had, so I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. It's so good, and I think the real chunks make it so much better. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment what you want me to try next.
Bye.